ready for geography Chalktivities? Okay, I'm gonna ask you, I'm gonna tell you something. Tell me, using your chalkboards only, you don't need your chalk, if it's true or false. The question is, a compass rose shows the directions on a map. Does a compass rose, is it true or false? A compass rose shows the directions on a map. Ah-ha-ha. Look at you guys. It is true. Jaden, why did you say false? Tell me you're thinking. It's okay.
Because you say it told a direction on the map.
Okay, and it does. And what else?
And I thought that a compass rose tells the direction, not on picture.
Ah, you're right. It's not the direction the picture's facing. It's the direction the map is facing. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay.
No, it's not. Is that right?
Where I'm standing, wait a minute, are you ready? True or false? Where I'm standing in the classroom, is the western direction. I'm standing in the west of the classroom. It's here. Check. Let's look. Was I standing in the west? I was. This is the west. It's right here. Okay, I'm going to give you another one. If this is west, then that way is east. True or false? I'm pointing to my right. True or false? If this is west, if I'm standing on west, then east is over there. If this is west,
That's west.
that's east. That's not east. That's south. Good job, Michaela. That's south. That was false. All right.